I'm Ginny from Body Enhancing Fitness, and today I'm going to show you how to do a kneeling plank. In order to get in position for a kneeling plank, you're going to get down on the floor or your exercise mat, and you're going to place your body in a tabletop position by kneeling down on your knees and putting your hands on the ground underneath your shoulders. Then you're going to adjust your body so that you might have to move your knees back a little bit and angle your body down so that your belly button is pointing towards the floor. If you feel your belly starting to sag, push up from your belly button towards the sky. Also make sure that your head is facing down. Hold this position for the allotted amount of time. When you're done, push back on your hands and sit on your knees. And that's how you do a kneeling plank.